Today, I'll walk you through how to build your portfolio website with Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and publish your own portfolio site so you can showcase your work effectively. Let's get started. First, head over to Notion and open the personal portfolio that you want to build as a site. If you're not familiar with Notion, think of it as a digital workspace where you can organize your thoughts, projects, and now your portfolio. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Once you have your portfolio open, look for the Publish button located in the upper right corner of your screen. This is where the magic begins. Publishing your work online is as simple as a click. After clicking on Publish, you'll see an option to confirm your choice. Go ahead and click on Publish again. This step is crucial as it makes your portfolio accessible to the world. Now you will see options to share your portfolio via social media if you wish. This is a great way to get your work in front of a larger audience. Alternatively, you can click on View Site to see your actual website. This is like taking a sneak peek at your finished product before sharing it with others. Exciting, right? If you choose to view your site, you can easily copy the URL. This link is what you will share with others so they can view your portfolio. Think of it as handing out a digital business card that showcases your skills and creativity. To recap, we've successfully navigated through Notion to build and publish your portfolio website. Remember, this process is straightforward and user-friendly, making it accessible for anyone looking to present their work online. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.